In today's competitive retail landscape, staying ahead requires a deep understanding of business performance and customer behavior. To empower retailers with the necessary insights, integrated analytics within a point-of-sale system have emerged as a game changer. By offering comprehensive sales and performance analytics in real time, retailers gain valuable insights into their business's performance, allowing them to make data-driven decisions, optimize strategies, and maximize profitability. In this video, we will explore the significance and benefits of integrated analytics within a POS system, showcasing how it enables retailers to unlock the power of data and propel their business to new heights. Real-time performance tracking. Integrated analytics in a POS system provide retailers with real-time performance tracking, allowing them to monitor their sales, revenue, and other key metrics as transactions occur. This real-time visibility enables retailers to stay informed about their business's health, identifying trends, and spotting potential issues as they arise. By accessing up-to-the-minute data on sales performance, retailers can quickly gauge the impact of marketing campaigns, promotions, or changes in product assortment. This information empowers them to make immediate adjustments to their strategies, capitalize on emerging opportunities, and address any potential challenges promptly. Comprehensive sales analysis. Integrated analytics within a POS system offer retailers a comprehensive view of their sales data, enabling them to gain insights into customer behavior, product performance, and revenue trends. Retailers can analyze sales data based on various criteria, such as product categories, individual items, customer segments, or time periods. This level of granularity allows for in-depth analysis and identification of top-selling products, high-value customer segments, and peak sales periods. Inventory management optimization. Integrated analytics play a crucial role in optimizing inventory management processes, reducing costs, and improving overall efficiency. Retailers can access real-time inventory data through the POS system, allowing them to monitor stock levels, track inventory turnover, and identify potential stockouts or overstock situations. With this information, retailers can proactively adjust inventory levels, optimize procurement, and reduce holding costs. By integrating inventory data with sales analytics, retailers can accurately forecast demand and align their inventory levels accordingly. This enables them to maintain optimal stock levels, reduce stock discrepancies, and minimize the risk of lost sales due to stockouts or excess inventory. Data-driven decision-making. Integrated analytics empower retailers to make informed, data-driven decisions across various aspects of their business. By combining sales data, customer insights, and inventory information, retailers can identify opportunities for product expansion, optimize pricing strategies, and adjust marketing efforts to maximize their return on investment. Retailers can leverage real-time performance analytics to evaluate the success of marketing campaigns, measure the effectiveness of promotions, and make data-backed decisions regarding budget allocation and resource optimization. Actionable reporting and visualization. Integrated analytics within a POS system offer retailers a range of reporting and visualization tools to transform raw data into actionable insights. Retailers can generate reports and dashboards that provide a clear, visual representation of key performance indicators, sales trends, and customer metrics. These visualizations help retailers understand complex data and communicate insights effectively within their organization. Additionally, retailers can set up automated reports and alerts that highlight significant changes or anomalies in their sales or inventory data. This proactive approach enables retailers to respond quickly to emerging trends or issues, ensuring optimal decision-making and minimizing potential risks.